Here is the Highline CFR 651 Bale processor. This CFR 651 has the optional patented feed chopper attachment installed. I will step through the quick process of changing the CFR 651 from using the feed chopper for feeding to disengaging the feed chopper so it can be used for bedding application. If the tractor is engaged and is running, turn the tractor off before making changes. Next, we will disengage the feed chopper clutch assembly on the rear of the machine. Rotate the feed chopper drum so that all the cutting knives fall downwards. Use caution when turning the drum as the knives may be considerably sharp. Remove the hairpins from the feed chopper door adjustments on both ends and lower the door, placing the pins into the B1 position both front and rear. As seen here, there is an additional door under the main flail drum that needs to be raised so that the material flows over top the feed chopper door. Use the handle located on the front cover door. Attach it to the shaft on the left side of the machine. Turn the handle in the direction of the bypass until it bottoms out. This process has raised the door to bypass the feed chopper. You have now completed the process of changing the unit from chopping mode to bedding mode. Since we have raised this door, we visually check to see if it is set correctly. Be sure that when the door is raised, it is slightly higher than the feed chopper door. This can prevent a plugging scenario. If this needs to be adjusted, there are jam nuts located on the door crank mechanism.